Hi everybody, welcome to Nostalgic Replay. Today we're here with Basma. He is a little whooping crane. It's an original Squishmallow. The year is from 2021, so he's a couple years old. His hang tag's in good condition. There's no creases on it. He doesn't have any dirt. He's nice and clean. He doesn't have any odors. And he's available for sale in my eBay shop, Nostalgic Replay. He's 8 inches tall, which here's my ruler. 8 inches. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'm glad you spent some time with me today. Have a great day.